saw Resead straws in action, where it broke down, released kelp seeds into the ocean, and restored marine ecosystems. As a result of global warming, California has lost almost all of its kelp canopy since 2014. Reseed straws help mitigate the effects of global warming by nurturing kelp that absorbs 10% of the Earth's carbon dioxide each year. In the long run, people can enjoy the use of straws while relieving the environmental burdens from centuries of unsustainable practices.
A billion straws end up in the ocean each year, causing 1 million aquatic life forms to die from suffocation or a stomach full of plastic. Is this the world we want to live in? Is prioritizing efficiency at the expense of innocent lives worth it? No, we hold the power to change this. We can make Resead the new